Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you the unboxing of an iPhone 6s which I purchased from Amazon during the Amazon festival. I purchased this phone for 18,000 rupees. The cost was 20,000 and there was an offer for SBI card, and after that I got it for 18,000 rupees. Yeah, this was a prime early deal and I think it was really good. Let me open this box. It was delivered the next day after placing the order. And yeah, let me try to open this one. Seems to be a little difficult to get it out. Okay, yeah, here goes. Yeah, let me peel open everything and show you guys. First of all, let me take the pamphlets and other things. As you can see, all the accessories and everything is there. Yeah, the price is written there. Yeah, you can see there was, based on the price MRP, it's a good deal. Yeah, let me open this stickers. The phone looks really good and it's great to hold it on hand. All in all, what I can say is it's a really good deal. An iPhone 6s 32GB for 18,000 is a great deal. I have just turned on the device. Let me set up this phone so that I can check everything is working. It's asking for country, languages, all sort of things. I have set up the settings and everything. As you can see, everything looks fine. Camera, video, everything is great. Already a software update is available. It's iOS 13 update. Hope everyone likes my video. Thank you and have a nice day. Please like and subscribe.